recent years. You can hear the emotion. You can almost feel the tears running down his face. What a moment. What a rider. What a talent. What a world champion. Back to his brilliant best. And now it's time for the celebrations and the party to begin.